Good morning, bonjour, and namaste. Please, this is my YouTube channel, The Best Gamer. Today we learn how to play Krunker. This is a very fun and interesting free online game. This is this is my profile or in Krunker Short 2007. And then if we go we can see our profile like this. Like we can log in or register by there will be two keys if we don't log in, and then or we will play like a guest. Then by shop we can give chaos. Like I have 47 chaos left and can buy something like this, and then I don't have, so it will reject it. But if we give 100 chaos, or then it will spin. And then challenges, as I am on 23rd level 30 would be required. Then on hub, this will take us to a next new window or a new tab. And then here we'll get something like a Conquer hub, and where we can find our friends, or we can get some more chaos, or we can trade our guns with others. And then these are the games. So these are more games of Conquer only. And then these are the mods which load mod and upload mods we can which players have invented. And this is like the settings. So if we'll see like their default, pro, performance, and custom. I have put it into pro because I like that mode, or default is also good. And then if we'll see by customize, there are many class, like there are triggerman, hunter, run and gun, spray and p, vince, detective, marksman, rocketeer, agent, runner, bowman, and commando. Like they all have many guns. Like I have like python, like the best gun shows at the top and the least gun shows at the bottom. And then like this I have many, like on hunter also I have many. Like and then we and like we buy them by this spin. We get these guns by doing these spins and all. And we get the more chaos by playing more, and by there is also free chaos option here. But this only gets available in a span of time of 6 hours or something. And then as we can see that like detective, like this is how, which is this. And I have only one gun of legendary. And this I have only one gun of assembly, which is the thunder god of agent. It has two guns which shoots simultaneously. This is famous, which I have many more guns also. I like to play with the assault rifle, and this is a very good gun. I have Python, which is a rare gun. Then, as we can see, this is the feature creator. This is downloading more stream, and then host game. We can host a game. Like these are many hosting a games here, and then select classes also we can do if perspective is if we need. And then we can also get which modes which we need, and which server setup which we need. And then if we have to join, then we can enter a game URL code which our friend or we have made, and then we can join the same thing. And then if you want, you can advertise support or terms limited. You can see while before playing this game. And this is versus 2.6.5, which is the new mode, which latest mode in Trunko. And then as you can see that this, like, we can invite also. The link is copied. See, like if we invite, the link is copied, then we can see the servers which are there. We can see the ranked, how much ranked I am. And then we can also like now I'll tell how we can play Trunker during the game. Like there are four keys, four five main keys during Trunker. It is W, A, S, and D. W is for moving forward, A for left, S for back, S for back, and D for right. And like it is best if we play with the mouse. Like in mouse, if we play by right click in it, we can zoom, and with left click we can shoot. And like, see, I forgot to tell you one thing, that if in attachment of that, it is reflex sight in triggerman, and in many other guns there, like in hunter. Should I show you? Yeah, sure. Like in hunter, if we go, then the it would be the attachment would be with it itself, the zoom. and then if we can in triggerman only, and we can also the secondary gun, which can be a desert eagle pistol Savidoff for this level 30. Till in auto pistol level 30 is required. I have taken I will take desert eagle, which is a good gun, and then combat knife we can take, and we can get many by same by the spins which I told you. And then this is body, which I get got by the skin. This is the hats which we can wear, like I have ducky. And then we can also see like the lantern. Lantern is my back waist, which can be which I have at back. And then you can also see that my spray and skin, like my dye and spray is none because I don't have them. And then reticle is like we can choose any. I have chosen nuclear, that's the good thing. And then if we go to play, then the W for forward, as I told you, and for reloading we can press R key. And in the health is shown at the bottom. Health is shown at the bottom. See, this is first hashtag first. This was a team deathmatch, TDM, and like these all the keys which they have, which they have. We can press on one thing, and this is the way we can see the performance. This is a new feature of Conquer, and the medal would come soon. And if we go with leaderboard, then also this is the TDM Newton. This is a hosting game by somebody. And then as you can see, like this will now load into next round at 0 minutes 00 seconds. Now this will load into a new game, which is this, because the most votes were here. And then as you can see, this is the way which we play. And then like we can jump with the spacebar key, and as I told you, right click for in a mouse, right click is for this. And like he hit me with a, and then as you can see, a KR would be a KR, this appeared, a KR would be appeared in next to me. That would be an orange for us and blue for the people who we hit. And so by pressing tab, like see, I confirmed it by taking the care. And then by tab you can see what all players are in our team and what all players are in that team. And by spacebar key you can jump. Okay. And then one more feature, that by shift you can, like by shift you will go down, and then you can sneak peek into the enemies round. And then like he had a Spander and a shotgun, so he hit me very clearly. And this is a nice game, but a difficult game also. Like see, that this K would be appear in KC because this is kill confirmed, so that's why this K would be appeared. And see, in my the orange K appeared. So this is how we play the kill confirmed. And in CTF, if it appears CTF to you, and if it appears CTF to you, so they are orange, there is a red flag and there is a blue flag. Blue flag is for us, red flag is for theirs. We have to go in the red flags area and then pick it flag. We can, if we, as soon as we enter the flags area, we get it, and then we have to deliver it to our blue flag, and that is called 1, and we get 150 points if we do it like this. If we do it like this. And then as you can see, I'm continuously jumping like by the spacebar key, and I am continuously like pressing tab key to see who all are there in my and their team. And by R I am continuously reloading my gun so that I can easily like not at the fighting time I have to reload my gun. And then that is by pressing escape key you can see your arrow key and you can move to other tabs. And till then you will be in the game for all, and not press escape, and you cannot see your arrow key. And so I got to know that someone is behind me, and see, he hit me with Tigerman hunter gun. So like so this is the game. Sorry, because I'm not on my usual laptop, so that's why I'm not able to play nicely. And otherwise I'm quite good at this game. I'm not show offing, I'm just telling. And then this is like my tab. I have not so much good players, that's why I'm losing a lot also. Like this, he hits us the Baron here. And we can also see our points here. By we have 8 and they have 29 KC. See, I hit him like that. And my friend guessed for confirmed the KR. And then like this is the way. And then if we have to do something else, like I like to play with shotgun also. I have Cobra in it. I like that gun, and like this shoots like this. And this is how it defeat came because we lost. So as I told you, zooming is good, and by zooming we can like we can precise it more. So that's why it is good. And then how this is how we can vote also, by pressing this, and the more the votes that would that server would come. So like please like, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you and bye. See you. Stay home. Stay